Let's dive more into this. We got financial expert Gene Marks joining us live right now. And Gene, thank you very much for joining us. And let's just kind of get into it. I mean, first off, let's talk about taxes. What kind of money moves should we be making when it comes to the IRS and deductions and things like that?
Well, there's different taxes that individuals can be making and taxes that, of course, small businesses can be making too. And there's some overlap there. On the individual side, my best advice to people is to put as much away for retirement, Greg, as possible. And I hope you're doing the same thing. There's pre-tax, like your 401k or IRAs, and then there's after-tax, like a Roth IRA. Even 529 plans are really good. You can put money away after tax. It grows, tax-free, and then you can use it for like higher education. And there was a change made in the recent tax law where now if you put money away in a 529, you can take it out with no penalty and use it for professional certifications too. So put money away into those tax-deferred accounts are really, really good move to make in 2026.
Okay, good information. Now, health insurance costs, they are skyrocketing.
Yeah.
Are there ways that we can save money there?
Well, you got to talk to your employer because that's the most important thing to do. If you're an employer, you do have some options that you can be setting up for your employees, and then employees can do things on their own. So I wrote about this in the Inquirer just this past week about health savings accounts, so there were HSAs. So I don't know if you guys offer that here, but just to explain, you put money away it's like a 401k for your healthcare, right?
Okay.
So you can put money away out of your paychecks. It reduces your income, so you pay less taxes, but then the money is there available for you. And individuals can put away about $5,000 a year. Families can put away around $8,000 a year, $8 to $9,000 a year. And then it never goes away. It rolls over to the next year. And then you can take the money out and use it for healthcare expenses, maybe that your plan doesn't cover, acupuncture or doctor's visits or certain pharmaceuticals, physical activities, things like that. So it's a really, really great way to save money on healthcare because it's pre-tax money, in other words. You know what I mean? You're reducing your income taxes by doing that. So HSAs, health savings accounts, talk to your employer about it. Or if you're just an individual person, maybe you can still get an individual HSA as well.
Very good. And of course, I mean, this day and age, a lot of talk is about artificial intelligence.
Yeah.
I mean, if you could talk to us a little bit about how AI can help us make some smart financial moves.
So, AI itself is becoming more and more mature and more accurate. And I realize people have reservations about using it, but I don't know do you use like ChatGPT or?
A little bit. My wife's more of the ChatGPT person, but yeah.
So you got to lean into it this year. Okay. First of all, cough up the $20 a month.
Okay.
Okay. Get the pro
Wait, that's how much it
version.
costs?
Yeah, that's what it costs. It's not that.
I got to
big a
check my
deal.
bank statement every day.
It's really not. It's not that expensive.
Yeah.
And by the way, it's ChatGPT, Gemini, Copilot. Grok is also pretty good. I'm telling you, Greg, you lean into it for any financial advice or questions.
Yeah.
It will do analysis for you. It will give you advice. You run it by an expert, obviously. It's just one of your sort of financial team that it can be. Just as a story aside, so I took ChatGPT back in October. My wife said I was getting a bit of a belly, and I was like, okay. So I went to ChatGPT. It's the middle of October, and I said I want to lose 20 pounds by the end of the year, and that thing coached me through it. It told me the calories to use. I reported to it every day. I mean, I had to be disciplined, but it was great. And I lost 20 pounds. I mean, it literally worked. So it's not just a financial thing. It can also be used for a lot of other purposes to improve your quality of life. Anyway, I know I'm yapping.
No. Lean
into AI this year. Everybody should have one of those AI chatbots as a friend. They're good experts. They're good friends to you. They will help improve your life and your productivity.
All right, Gene, I'm going to have to pick your brain more about the
we got lots more to talk
401k
about.
stuff and then also the AI stuff as well. Thanks for joining us, Gene.
Thank
Truly
you, Greg.
appreciate it.
Appreciate it.